So hello students, welcome to Affinity Digital. Let us start with the solution of mini-static number 1. Zoology का section हम लोग discuss करेंगे. So let us start with the first question. Which among the following is incorrect about Porifera? First option, the name Porifera comes from the pores present on the surface of the sponges. That is true. Skeleton is made of spongine fiber and spicle. That is also correct. Development of the embryo takes place through intermediate larval stage. Yes, this is the reason इसे indirect development कहा जाता है. And the digestive system in Porifera is incomplete. बच्चों, Porifera जो है इनमें cellular level of organization है, organ system level of organization नहीं है, ना ही tissue level of organization है, ना ही organ level of organization है. So digestive system होने का सवाल ही नहीं. So this is the incorrect option. Let us move to the question number 152. Which phylum do cuttlefish belong to? Cuttlefish belongs to phylum Mollusca, जिसका scientific name होता है that is Sepia. Okay, moving to the next question. Which among the following statement is incorrect about Obelia? Obelia polyp produces medusa by sexual reproduction. फर्स्ट जो ऑप्शन है वही इनकरेक्ट है बिकॉज पॉलिप इज असेक्सुअल स्टेज. वो सेक्सुअली मेडूसा प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता है, वो प्रोड्यूस करता है मेडूसा बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ बडिंग. दैट इज असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सो द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन दैट इज 1. In which of the following phylum true coelom is absent? True coelom is absent in case of nematode. Nematode have coelom which is known as pseudocoelom, that is the false coelom, जहां पे mesodermal lining नहीं होता है, rather mesodermal pouch present रहता है. Organism in which of the following phyla have flame cell as excretory structure? तो flame cells होते हैं Platyhelminthes में. Then the next question, which of the following phylum has organism that have open circulatory system? Okay, open circulatory system बोला गया है and who respire through their gills. Okay, Echinodermata इनमें माना जाता है कि ट्यूब फिट मदद कर रहा है रेस्पिरेशन में, तो इनमें तो मेंशन नहीं है. हेमिकॉर्डाटा इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कॉर्डाटा में बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं, लंग्स भी है, गिल्स भी है, स्किन भी है. Porifera, they do not have such kind of respiratory structure, respiratory system. Okay, so the correct answer is hemichordata. Out of the following feature, by which one is Ascaris characterized? That is number 1, presence of metamerism in true coelom. नहीं, metamerism भी नहीं होता है, true coelom भी नहीं होता है. Absence of metamerism and presence of true coelom, that is also incorrect. It is both absence of the metamerism and the coelom. That is option number 3 is the correct option. Which of the following set of animal belongs to Cyclostomata? It is of course Petromyzin and Myxine. That is option number 2. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding phylum Aschelminthes? So the body is circular in cross section, hence known as roundworm. Correct. Alimentary canal is complete with a well developed muscular pharynx. That is also true. Sexes are separate, that is males and female are distinct. Yes, हम लोग distinguish कर पाते हैं मेल को फीमेल से. Nephridia helps in osmoregulation. नहीं बच्चों, Nephridia is present in Annelida. इनमें excretory canals होते हैं, excretory tube होते हैं और excretory pore होते हैं for the purpose of excretion. So other than 4, all are correct. और हमें पूछा गया that what are the correct options? So it is 1, 2 and 3 are the correct option, not 4. Which of the following phylum is being described by the given statement? They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, segmented and coelomate on animals. Okay. The body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. ये तो arthropoda का है. और पढ़ते circulatory system is open type. That is true. And excretion takes place by the Malpighian tubules. So we will go with the first option, that is arthropoda. Which of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? Pteropus and Ornithorhynchus. Viviparity. बच्चों, Pteropus viviparous होते हैं, but Ornithorhynchus is एग लेइंग मैमल, सो इसको हम डिस्कट करेंगे, तो ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है. गार्डन लिजर्ड एंड क्रोकोडाइल, गार्डन लिजर्ड एंड क्रोकोडाइल 3 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट, क्रोकोडाइल में 4 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट होते हैं, सो दिस इज नॉट पेयरिंग विद इट. एस्करिस एंड एंसाइलोस्टोमा, मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन, इनमें मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन नहीं होते, दे आर nematoda, that is Escherichia helminthes, and their body is unsegmented. Finally, we are with the seahorse and flying fish, and they are cold-blooded. So we will go with the option number 4. The given below is the figure of 1, 2, and 3 represent types of fluid-filled body cavity found in many types of animal. Identify the correct option showing the type of coelom. So this is a true coelom, जिसे एनसीईआरटी ने सीलोम ही मेंशन किया है. दिस इज स्यूडो, एंड फाइनली दिस वन इज अ सीलोम. सो आवर करेक्ट इज सीलोमेट. दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सीलोमेट number 2, pseudocoelomate, and number 3 is acoelomate. Identify number 1, 2 and 3. So it is the female ascaris, क्योंकि इसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो ऐसा स्ट्रेट है, इट इज नॉट जे शेप्ड. अगर जे शेप्ड होता तो वो मेल होता. सो ये जो है वो फीमेल एस्कारिस है. दिस इज नेरिस एंड दिस इज हिरुडिनेरिया. सो इट इज फीमेल एस्कारिस, देन no, this is female ascaris, neris and hirudineria. So we will go with the option number 2. Which one of the following statement of animal is correctly described with no single exception in it? In chondric thighs, notochord is present throughout the life. Yes, this statement NCERT में clearly mentioned. All mammals are viviparous and possess diaphragm for breathing. All mammals are not viviparous. There are some mammals that are oviparous. All sponges are marine. That is also incorrect. All reptile possess scales and have 3-chambered heart. No, some of them has even 4-chambered heart. So we will go with the correct option, that is 1. Which one of the following is cartilaginous fish? Of course, it is the dogfish. Scientific name is Scoliodon. Question number 166. Which of the following class is being described by the given statement? They are found in variety of habitats, polarized, desert, mountain, forest, grassland. तो बच्चों ये पहला जो स्टेटमेंट है उसे पढ़ के तुम लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये मैमल का है. Most unique characteristic is the presence of the mammary gland. Yes, heart is 4-chambered, sexes are separate and fertilization is internal. So it is class Mammalia. Match the following phylum given in column 1 with their examples given in column 2 and choose the correct option. So Echinodermata is 2, Hemichordata is 4, Eurochordates is 1, and Cephalochordate is Branchiostoma, that is 3. So it is 2, 4, 1 and 3. Correct option is 2. Heart of the fish is how many chambered? It is, of course, it is 2-chambered. Hippocampus, that is the seahorse, belongs to the class Osteichthyes. Okay, so question number 170, the taxon representing both freshwater and marine species. Cnidaria, yes, this is the correct option. Baki, Ctenophora, Echinodermata and Cephalochordata, all are exclusively marine. ये दो फाइलम है, जबकि Cephalochordata जो है वो एक क्लास है, सब फाइलम है Chordata का. One example of the animal having single opening to the outside that serves both as mouth as well as anus. So of course it is Fasciola, जो कि Platyhelminthes से belong करता है, and they have incomplete type of digestive canal. जबकि Ascidia जो है वो है Chordata, Eurochordates. Asterias इनका भी complete होता है digestive canal, and Octopus they also have the digestive canal complete. So radial symmetry is not found in the adult phylum of, it is, they all have the radial symmetry and their adult also have this. Echinodermata में जो लार्वा है वो बायलेटरल है, लेकिन जो एडल्ट है उसमें भी रेडियल होता है. सो अल्टीमेटली वी आर गेटिंग आवर करेक्ट आंसर एज हेमिकॉर्डेटा. ओके. Then, chondrichthyes swim constantly in water to avoid sinking because in chondrichthyes air bladder is absent or not found. Yes, true. जो air bladder होते हैं वो उनको buoyancy देते हैं, ठीक है, फिश को. लेकिन chondrichthyes में उनमें air bladder नहीं होने के कारण उनको continuously swim करना है अगर float करना है तो. और अगर float मतलब swim नहीं करेंगे तो वो लोग डूब जाएंगे. Okay, so it is the assertion and reason both are correct, and reason जो है वो correct explanation है assertion का. Find the wrongly matched pair. It is nidoblast prey capture. True. Flame cell is not for defense. Flame cell is for excretion. So this is the incorrect option. Choose the wrong statement. Teeth in chondrichthyes are modified ctenoid scale. पहला statement ही incorrect. It is not ctenoid, it is placoid scales. बाकी जो है it will be of course correct one. Air bladder in fish regulate buoyancy. In amphibians, tympanum represent here. Long bones in birds are pneumatic. True. Identify the scientific name of animals commonly called as the blue whale. So that is Balænoptera. Which of the following groups of characters is present in all chordates in some or other stages? Mammary gland, hair and gill slits. सारे chordate के पास नहीं होता है. Notochord, gill slits and dorsal tubular nervous system. That is true. ये हर एक chordates में present है. And ये typical characteristics होते हैं. Then notochord scales यहाँ पे odd one out है. Gill slits, vertebral column and notochord. ये vertebral column यहाँ पे odd one out है. So we will go with the second option. Okay. Water vascular system, that is the ambulacral system, is typically found in, it is typically present in case of starfish. They are echinoderms और echinoderm का ये characteristic feature होता है. Then is question number 180. Which of the following feature is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? So Arthropoda में पैरापोडिया नहीं होता है. पैरापोडिया नेरिस में होता है जो कि एनिलिडा का एग्जाम्पल है. Then absence of excretory organ, great power of regeneration, and exclusively marine animals belong to the phylum. So it is Echinodermata is the correct option. बाकी जो options है इसके साथ नहीं मिल रहा है. Of course तुम लोगों को लगेगा कि great power of regeneration तो NCERT में mention नहीं है, ये नहीं है. बट तुम लोग जान लो कि जो Echinodermata है उनका अगर मतलब जो आर्म है वो अगर कट हो जाए तो वो फिर से रीजनरेट कर सकते हैं. बाकी का ऑप्शन देके इसे मिलाने की कोशिश करना. Which of the following characteristic is not shared by birds and mammals? Their endoskeleton is ossified. बच्चों ossified का मतलब होता है bony. That is true. Breathing using lungs. That is also true. Viviparity नहीं होता है because birds जो है वो oviparous होता है. तो यही हो गया incorrect option. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Not correctly matched is flame cell, platyhelminthes, correctly matched. Nidocyte cell, that is Coelenterata, that is also true. Metameric segmentation is absent in case of mollusca. Of course, इसमें एक exception है, but NCERT में वो exception mention नहीं है. Gill slits is the characteristic feature of chordata, that is also true. So identify the vertebrate groups of animal characterized by crops and gizzard in this in its digestive system. So it is apes. Other than the vertebrate, the cockroach, they also have the crop and this gizzard. Which one is not correctly matched? It is mollusca. उसमें pseudocoelom नहीं होता. It is not correctly matched. However, Cnidaria, nematocyst, Annelida, metamerism, Echinodermata, water vascular system, all are correct. Which one of this animal is not homeothermic? Of course, it is chelone. So it is chelone. Chelone is a reptile. तो reptile जो है वो cold blooded होते हैं. बाकी सारे mammals है और birds है. Metamerism or metameric segmentation is a characteristic feature of Annelida. Which of the following statement regarding Coelenterata is or are wrong? Cnidocytes are present on the tentacles and on the body. Correct. Diploblastic, it's cellular level of organization. No, it's not cellular, it's tissue level of organization. Polyp forms are free living. Polyp forms are free living. No, it is not free living. It is sessile and exhibit metagenesis. Correct. And polyp produce medusa sexually. And यहाँ पे पूछा गया है wrong statement क्या क्या है. So it is wrong. This is wrong. And polyp produce medusa sexually. It is asexually. And this is sexually. So this is also wrong. So the wrong statements are 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 5 is the correct option. True coelom appeared first in the course of evolution in case of Annelida. Echinodermata में बाद में आया है, Chordata में भी बाद में आया है, और SK helminthes में होता है pseudocoelom. Cycon belongs to a group of animals which are best described as multicellular without any tissue organization, unicellular और acellular नहीं होगा, multicellular with gastrovascular system, multicellular having tissue organization but no body cavity. So it is about the Cycon. So it is multicellular without any tissue organization. Which of the following is not a characteristic of amphibians? Alimentary canal, urinary and the reproductive tract opens into a common chamber, that is cloaca. Warm-blooded animals नहीं होते, so this is the incorrect one. Three-chambered होते हैं, moist and smooth skin. That is also true. Assertion and reasoning. Trigon is a poikilothermic animal. Of course, it's a chondrichthyes. Because body temperature of trigon changes with the change in an ambient temperature. So both are true and one is explaining another. बच्चों ट्राइगॉन पोइकिलोथर्मिक है और पोइकिलोथर्मिक का मतलब ही होता है कि जो आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट है उसमें अगर टेम्परेचर का फ्लक्चुएशन होता है तो सेम फ्लक्चुएशन बॉडी में भी होता है उस ऑर्गेनिज्म का. सो which one of the following set of animals share 4-chambered heart? It is crocodile, birds and mammals. बाकी जो है उसमें odd है, right? Then match the following list of animals with their level of organization. So let us solve it. Organ level of organization is seen in case of fasciola. Cellular aggregate level is seen in case of spongilla. Tissue level is seen in case of obelia. And finally organ system in 1. So it is A2. So let us see like this. 1D. इसी तरह से प्लेस किया गया है. 1 is D. तो यहाँ पे मुझे ऑप्शन ये वाला मिल रहा है. 1D. Then A is 2. B is 3. And 4. C is this one. So this is the correct option. Which one of the following is oviparous? Of course, it is the platypus. It is the mammal which lay eggs. Oviparous होते हैं वो. Pick the correct statement. All pieces have gills covered by operculum. All pieces have gills covered by operculum. No, chondrichthyes के केस में operculum नहीं होते. All reptiles have 3-chambered heart. Here also exception is present. All cyclostome do not possess jaws and paired fins. This is the correct one. But all mammals are also viviparous. उसमें भी oviparous का option है. Which one of the following does not belong to the phylum Coelenterata? It is of course the sea cucumber, because sea cucumber belongs to Echinodermata. And in which of the following sets all are vectors? Vectors matlab the carrier of diseases, and it will be of course Anopheles musca, that is the housefly, and culex. They are the vectors, right? Carrier of disease. Bilateral symmetry, metameric segmentation, coelom, and open circulatory system are the characteristic feature of open circulatory system. Metameric segmentation है तो of course open है तो हम लोग एनिलिडा में क्लिक नहीं करेंगे, इट विल बी आर्थ्रोपोडा, राइट? क्योंकि हम लोग मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन देखने से झट से हम लोग क्या मार्क कर देंगे, एनिलिडा, तो वो नहीं होगा, दैट इज द आर्थ्रोपोडा. Bats are included in the same taxonomical group as the whales because whales also they belong to the class Mammalia, and the flying bat, flying fox, they all belong to the class Mammalia. So with this, let us end the session here. Thank you.